Yes.
I would like to dedicate this song to Miss Sayami Puentes, who is celebrating her birthday today, November 30, 2022.
Happy 57th birthday, partner. I'll never change my love for you. The years may go, the years may go. Although my days I will live to love you for all my life. I will be true. There may be time I make you cry, and then you try to say goodbye. The tears you shed made me love you. I never hurt you for all you know. My love for you is an endless longing, a flame inside me, forever burning. I'll never change, still go on carrying. That's how I'll stay, forever sharing. Happy 57th birthday sa iyo, partner, and thank you so much sa lahat ng support na ginagawa mo sa ating Team Collabs, ang ating founder ng The Rise and Solid Family Content, Mr. Danilo Mantas. Happy birthday. I never changed, I got carried. That's how I stay, forever sharing. I'll never change my love for you. The years may go, the years may go. So promise me, love will find its meaning, do it forever. I'll never change, I'll never change. Once again, happy 57th birthday sa'yo, partner, and more birthday to come. God bless you at sa buong family. Thank you so much.